Hello, my name is Chuck. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what you should be doing for lesson 1.2 of this unit. So, the big thing going on in 1.2 where is the concept of how our body reacts with electricity and how electricity is the driving force of our bodies. So we have the energy sticks activity in there as a way for students to begin to think about how their brain communicates with their bodies through electrical impulses and how we can manipulate that. So I have the energy stick right here, so you can see exactly what's going to happen. Yeah, lots of flashing lights and a very interesting noise, right? So behavior management is going to be key here because, well, flashing lights, loud noise, this can get a lot of students riled up. And we want them to have fun, but make sure you understand the needs of your students in order to facilitate this activity in a way so that they're questioning how their body is letting this happen rather than just saying, oh, wow, look at these lights and listen to this noise. Now, also in this lesson, students are going to be measuring their reaction time. Of course, traditionally, that's dominant versus non-dominant hand. And we have multiple videos where students will be able to get inspiration from, and you'll be able to show students exactly what they need to be doing. We're not going to leave you out to dry just saying, okay, measure your dominant versus non-dominant hand reaction time. We have videos throughout this lesson that we definitely recommend you watch first and then play for the students during the class, specifically for this reaction time assignment. Now, one last activity to talk about in lesson 1.2 here is the creation of a consensus model of energy transfer in the body. So this is the second activity where students are going to be creating a model on paper or on a whiteboard. So if you think there's an alternative way that you'd prefer to do it so they're not doing the same thing twice, that is up to you, but we believe that a whiteboard would be the best choice here. So if you're not familiar with a consensus model, it is really just a decision among the class of what is in common between their individual models, or in this case, their group models, in order to, have a reference. We want you to have this model, just like the driving question board in the previous lesson, as a reference for the remainder of this unit. So it's important that it's factual. However, if you want to leave things more up to student interpretation and student exploration, that is, once again, your choice. Good luck with this lesson.